So hello guys, welcome aboard First Cast Charter, located at Captain Anderson's Marina in Panama City Beach, Florida, home of the world's most beautiful beaches. I'm Captain Corey. We're going to give you a tour of the boat today, so come on down. Alright guys, if you'll step this way into the galley, you'll find all the modern amenities. We have a Keurig for those of us that are a little too tired in the morning, might need that little extra pick-me-up for a full day of fishing. The boat comes with a refrigerator, which you're more than welcome to use. You can set your drinks, any sandwiches, anything you might need for the day's fishing. We have a microwave on board. You can warm up anything you'd like. On this side, plenty of spacious seating as well around the table. Radio, CD player, AM, FM. We can listen to some tunes while we're out there fishing. If you'll follow me downstairs to the bow of the boat, it's where our restroom is located. You'll find it to be very spacious. Also a sink in there as well. You can wash up. If you'll look in our side room here, which is also air conditioned, we have a couple bunks. Feel free to lay down, get a little rest, recoup from fishing. And then of course in the bow of the boat is our V-berth. Again, plenty of space to lay down, coming and going. Make yourselves at home. If you want to walk back into the main cabin area with me, this time we'd like to say thank you for watching this video. If you need any more information about First Cast Charter, you can find us at firstcastcharterspcb.com. You can look us up on Facebook. Just give us a call. The number here is 850-596-7645. Again, my name is Captain Corey, and thank you so much.